This is my Whirlpool French door refrigerator. It's probably 5 or 6 years old. It's got the built-in ice maker and water dispenser on the door. This video is going to show you the difference between a saddle valve and a T-stop valve. I have really low water pressure with the saddle valve, so this will be a before and after on the replacement and transfer over to the T-stop valve. Right, Finn?
It was at this moment that he knew.
So this is the water that I get out of my refrigerator. It really takes about 3 minutes to fill up a coffee cup. That's a copper line hookup that was tied into from a 1/2 inch pipe in the basement with one of those dew flammies that punctures right inside of the pipe. Here we go. That's a huge difference.
All right, all right, all right.
So that's about, what, 15 seconds to fill that up compared to about 2 minutes before.
Right.